Good afternoon, everyone. It's a great pleasure to be a part of organizing this rally. I have been a part of it all these years, but taking up an official post makes me nervous as well as all excited. I hope it is a great show. Thank you.
This is my fourth year in Duchess Car Rally, and this is one such event which I eagerly wait for, and I wouldn't miss it for anything in the world. It's all about teamwork, precision, understanding. Even at times, in the car, the mercury level goes up so high that we start screaming and shouting at each other. You know, like, no, you have done it wrong and all this stuff. The rally also tests your creative side. Where, for example, last year we had a theme Live like Queen Size, where me and my teammates we all dressed up like as a duchesses. There were some participants who dressed up their car as well, which was beautiful, and it's really great fun. That's what I mean. Even this year's theme is like creating awareness for a girl child, which is very close to my heart, being a daughter, like a mother of two daughters. So, but at the end, I'll say the car rally is just fun. I mean, it's just basically fun. Thank you.
I'd just like to add that I came into this rally as a press reporter and Nina pulled me into taking part. And I remember she told me you just come that morning and I'll push you into some car so you get a feel of the rally. But then I came back with the team. I think I've done about 8 rallies so far, Duchess rallies plus the Bridal rallies. And on record, I've never taken part with the same team in any rally. And this time I teamed up with Jyoti. Let's see how we go.
That's a good one.
Yeah. So, I don't know, I'm just looking forward to all the fun this time. Thanks.
Fifth time we came third in the novice category. With that, it's not correct for us to be in the novice category, and then we graduated in the regular category. Luckily, we came first the 6th time, and we really enjoyed it. Even then, our penalty points were slightly higher. We would like to work on it. But one thing this rally taught us was how you work as a team, how you get the best out of your teammates, how you become a leader of a particular team with people of equal intelligence, how you rally them around to your need and get instructions and motives from them to win a rally. I think for a team effort and for team learning, this is the best thing anybody can attend to if you have an itch for driving. Thank you.
I've never taken part in a rally as such for so many years until I got my own team. I was with, I don't know if you all know Lita, she was the winner in experts category. I was the observer for her team for quite some time. Until I find my own group of friends, I was just learning, how to rally. We were also racing for quite a few years, trying to be first. But last year we happened to take a prize. So I think it's going to be fun. Already I'm messaging my friends, you're all missing the press meet. Our car was on the slideshow here. So we're all trying to, I was trying to ask Shereen also what her thoughts are going to be regarding, because they have very good creativity. So we are going to try to, get the same, whatever the team says. But we're not as creative as Shereen's team, I know that. And Amit is going to, as usual, make it whole of fun. Let's see, Ekta is also behind now, must be better. Thank you.
Duchess Rally is something, everyone really looks forward to, especially those who have participated, because it's something which is very different from your regular everyday work, This is the time you actually don't feel guilty about just lazing around in front of the TV on a Sunday. There's something we really look forward to, and I think the brilliant part about the rally is you will know if you have done well or not at every point. It's something I'm sure you know about it, because last year I was very confident. I was like, you're going to call me, because I know I've won. So yeah, that's how it works. I mean, if you miss a marshal, well, too bad. I think you just finish the rally for the fun of it, but yeah, that's how it goes. So yeah, looking forward to Sunday and really excited.
I would also come under the regular as well as the winning category, because I've been participating, I think, last 12 years. I've been with the Duchess from the day one. It is really exciting, and I really look forward. And thank you, Duchess, and it's been really fun. Thank you very much.
They start the rally at 9 a.m. is the time when the first car is flagged off. And we meet for lunch at Akshay Metropolis at Marmanai Nagar, and the results will be announced there around 4:35. So prize distribution will happen at Metropolis, Akshay Metropolis, and so it's like a day out. So we request all the press to please mention that it's like a day out, so they can be prepared to have fun there. There's a swimming pool there, there's a theatre, there's squash courts, there's carom, cards, everything.